Good morning, guys. It's 8 What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs411. What you guys been up to? Anything fuck fresh, anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, we are just heading into work because I got called into work today, so that's kind of good. I'm so tired a little bit, but that's okay. So, we'll talk to you guys when we are done work.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are making potatoes and the chicken. And then we are going to try this and see if it can be good fried, you guys. Yes, so that's what we are doing.
There you guys go. There's a finished touch. Looks so good.
We are watching Hell's Kitchen. Not Hell's Hotel.
Hotel Hell.
Yeah, and we are eating drumsticks. So
Mine's caramel, he has chocolate.
we are watching Hotel Hell. Again.
We were watching, or we were cleaning.
Yeah, we were cleaning. We got some stuff done, but we are watching Hotel Hell. So that's what we are watching. No, Rachel's gonna pass out. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.